Wala akong sukle. Okay lang. Wala akong sukle ngayon, guys. Nawala kasi yung sukle namin. It's all good.
Oh!
Charot. Okay, so... Okay. Hi guys, it's me again, Phemz TV, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi guys, it's me again, Phemz TV, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, guys, is I'm gonna share with you on how to install the free Kinemaster latest this year 2022 for free. As in, wala siyang babayaran, guys, at saka without watermark. Okay, if you are interested to watch on this video, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell for you to notify if I have new videos that will be uploaded for my next vlog. So let's start. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope that you learned from this video. Until next time, bye!